Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue. And I know I haven't seen my divines in a while. I miss my divines. And today, as you can see in the title, I'm going to make me a papaya fruit salad. And I wanted to use nectarine, but I couldn't find organic nectarine. I'm just using some pear. Okay, but make sure that you do your combinations of fruits the way that is best for you. Okay, I'm not a doctor. I just wanted to come on with my divines. I miss my divines. I hope you all are well. I'm going to be doing workout videos in my apartment at home because I need to be more active. I've been, doing like hibernation eating and everything. So, I need to work out and, move my body and everything. But I will do workout videos that will be on the YouTube channel. It will be basic things. It won't be anything that the average person cannot do because my channel, I definitely want it to be for people, everyday people that want to stay well and active and live a healthy, positive, joyful life despite all the things that are going on in the world, right? So I guess we'll just make the salad together. So I'm going to take the seeds out of the papaya. I'm going to use a spoon. Yeah, and I miss my divines. I miss my divines as always. But I love coming on here and being with my divines. And I'm just taking the seeds out. Yep, you can see me. I hope you can see me. Oh my goodness. And I will I will definitely do a lot more videos like this. Like I said, I've been having very comforting hibernation foods. But now it's like time to, I'm always, juicing, doing different things, but I want to, focus back more on wellness stuff. And of course I have to share that with my divines. For this video, I will just use a half of the papaya, okay? So I'm going to cut this up and put it in my lovely glass pan. I'm just going to cut this up into pieces. This is a very basic fruit salad, okay? This is actually my first time making this particular one, so this will be interesting. And so what the recipe calls for is also some cinnamon and the lemon and avocado for your healthy fats, and cinnamon, and you could use honey, but I didn't want to use honey. I'm not here to judge anyone that uses honey. I don't need that. I will have pear and it has the papaya, so I don't, when I eat fruit, I don't want to put anything sweet on it, but that's my preference. But I will put the recipe in the description and tips as always, okay? So be sure to check the description. So yeah, I'm just going to make this, for this video, I'm just going to make it where it is just a half of the papaya. Okay. And, okay. I'm taking the papaya out. And papaya is really good for you. It's good for your digestion. It gets things moving, okay? It will definitely do that. Oh my goodness, it will definitely get things moving. Okay, for this video, I won't go too much into like trying to make it just so perfect or whatever. I'm going to cut up the, like I said, I wanted to use nectarine, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut up this lovely pear because I couldn't find organic nectarine. And I'm going to keep the skin because I love the skin, okay? Alright, and I am going to take the avocado. I'm going to take the lovely avocado. I love avocado. They call this God's butter, right? This is God's butter. We'll take the avocado. We're going to take, I'm going to cut it into little squares. I'm just making a little small salad and I will make a larger one after the video. And I am going to, okay, so this is how it looks, my divines. Let me move the spoon. Okay, so you have the avocado and the pear and the papaya. You can also add figs to this, but I'm not going to add figs to this. I have figs here, but I'm not going to add it, but you can. I'll put all that in the description, okay? And I'm going to add the lovely Ceylon cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Oh, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Okay, be sure to subscribe for more wellness and juicing and smoothies and vlogs and workout videos, okay? So if you are new to this channel, welcome. Now I'm going to take the little bit of lemon and I'm going to squeeze some of the lemon, just a little bit. I don't really need much. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to just swirl this bad boy around, okay? Oh my goodness, I don't think I was looking at the right place in the camera. All right, and here goes my fruit salad. It is always a pleasure to come on here with my divines. Okay, I'm going to try some of this lovely salad with the avocado and the papaya and the pear. Okay. And the lemon. As sweet as it's hydrating and it's sweet and it just revs me up. I love having fruit in the daytime. And as always, I love coming on here with my divines and doing lovely, amazing videos like this for my divines. And as always, I want you all to be well, and I want you to be true to yourself. Peace, divine.